Hello, second class. I hope that you will learn the previous lecture. If you have any problem regarding the previous lecture or this lecture, you will ask a question at the end of this meeting. Okay. So as you know that we start chapter number 2, whole numbers, and this is our lecture number 3. Okay. In the previous lecture, I will told you about natural numbers and whole numbers. This exercise number 2.1 is regarding about the whole number and natural number. First of all, starting this exercise, I will revise you about the whole number and natural number. The whole numbers are those numbers which are start from 0 to infinity. Yeah, you said that which are start from 0. Okay, and the natural numbers are those numbers which are start from 1. Okay, whole number are those numbers which are start from 0, and the natural number are those numbers which are start from 1. Okay, and I have already told you about successor and predecessor. Okay, question number 1. Okay, let's start exercise 2.1. Question number 1. Write a successor and predecessor of the following whole number. Okay, here is talk about the whole number. Okay, part number 1. Part number 136. Okay, क्वेश्चन में उसने कहा है कि सक्सेसर इसका लिखे और प्रीडिसेसर लिखे चाहिए जो आपको पार्ट दिया है. ओके, in part number 136. Okay, what is successor? Okay, the successor is the number next to the previous number. Okay, the number next to the previous number, वो अपने पिछले नंबर से यानी अपने प्रीवियस नंबर से उससे अगला नंबर जो होता है वो सक्सेसर होता है. ओके, टेल मी दैट व्हाट इज द सक्सेसर ऑफ 36. ओके, व्हाट इज द सक्सेसर ऑफ 36? The successor of 36 is 37. Why? Because I already told you that the successor is the number which is next to the previous one. The number which is next to the previous number. Very easy. The successor of 36 is 37. And also we tell about the predecessor of 36, and the sign represent and. Okay, this sign represent and predecessor of 36 is 35. What is predecessor? Predecessor बेटा वो होता है कि अपने अगले नंबर से जो पिछला नंबर होता है, सही है, अपने नेक्स्ट जो आपका नंबर है उससे जो पिछला प्रीवियस नंबर होगा उसको प्रीडिसेसर कहते हैं. द प्रीडिसेसर ऑफ 36 इज 35. The successor of 36 is 37 and predecessor of 36 is 35. Okay, and second part 74. Okay, 74. The successor of 74 is 75 and predecessor of 74 is 73. Okay, the successor of 74 is 75 because the successor is the number which is next to the previous one. Okay, the number which is next to the previous one. Okay, see the both part. See both part. Okay, come on the next slide. Okay, third part, question number 1, third part, 199. The question is 199. Yeah, the number is 199. Okay. Question is that tell about the successor and predecessor of 199. Okay. The successor of 199 is 200 and the predecessor of 199 is 198. The successor of 199 is 200 and the predecessor of 199 is 198. Okay, come to the next part. 350. Okay. The successor of 350 is 351 and the predecessor of 350 is 349. The successor of 350 is 351 and the predecessor of 350 is 349. The next part is 789. 789. Okay. The next part is 789. Okay. 789. The successor of 789 is 790 and the predecessor of 789 is 788. Okay.
The successor of 789 is 790 and the predecessor of 789 is 788. Okay. I think there is no confusion about this topic. Okay, next question number 2. Next question number 2. Write 3 consecutive whole numbers starting from 509. Write 3 consecutive whole numbers starting from 509. ओके इसका उर्दू में क्या मतलब है कि आपने कंसेक्यूटिव का मतलब होता है कि तरतीब में, सही है, जैसे 1 है फिर उसके बाद 2 आएगा 3 आएगा, तरतीब में लिखना है। कह रहा है वो नंबर जो कि 509 से स्टार्ट होते हैं 3 consecutive यानी 3 ऑर्गेनाइज फॉर्म में हमने नंबर लिखने हैं। ओके, सो इज द क्वेश्चन, the number start from 509, so the next number is 510, 510. Okay, okay, the question is about 509. It tells that start from 509, so the next number is 510 and the next is 511 and the next is 512. The 3 consecutive whole number of 509 are 510, 511, 512. Okay, the consecutive whole number starting from 509 are 510, 511 and 512. Okay, come on, question number 3. Write the natural number smaller than 6. Write the natural number smaller than 6. Okay, I already told you about the natural number start from 1. Okay, don't forget the natural number start from 1. Okay, so question number 3 is write the natural numbers smaller than 6. Okay, smaller than 6. Okay, start with 1. Okay, why we cannot start with the number 0? Why we cannot can't start with the number 0? Because the 0 come in the whole number, not a natural number. The natural number start from 1. Okay, okay, let's start. The question is smaller than 6. Natural number smaller than 6. 6 से क्या होना चाहिए? छोटा होना चाहिए. Smaller than 6. Okay, the answer is 1. Start with 1 and end with 5. Start with 1 and with, why we end with 5? Because the question is smaller than 6. Okay, वो number जो 6 से छोटा होना चाहिए. Counting तो सबको आती होगी. Okay, the number less than 6 is 5 and the number starting in natural numbers are 1. The number and smaller than 6 is 5 and the number starting in natural numbers are 1. Okay, let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, कौन कौन से नंबर आएंगे? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, okay, come to next question. Question number 4. Question number 4. In each of the following pairs of the numbers, state which number is greater. In each of the following pairs of the number, state which number is question. Okay, in this question, it gives two number. Okay, in this question, it gives two number, and you tell him that which number is greater. Okay, and you tell them that which number is greater. Okay, come to part 1. First part is 345 and 435. 345 and 435. Okay, in those in these numbers, which part is greater? Yeah, which number is greater in 345 and 435? Which number is greater? 435 is greater. Okay, why 435 is greater? Because see the number 1, 3. Here in the first number 3 is come, and here in the second number 4 is come. Okay, it is natural that 435 is greater than 345. Okay, in this number, in 345 and 435, 435 is greater than 345. Okay, come to the next part, part number 2. It also gives two numbers, 889, 989, 889 and 989. Okay, in these number, see these number 889 and 989. In 889, the first letter is 8. Okay, the first number is 8. Okay, and see the 989. In these numbers, yeah, in this number, the first digit is 9. Okay, the first digit is 9. So as we know that 9 is greater than 8. So in these numbers, the greater value is 989. Okay, in these value, the greater value is 989. So come to the next part. Okay, this is a confusing numbers. Say this. Third part is 1010. First number is 1010 and the second number is 1001. Okay, 1001. Okay, okay, let's start. In the first number, the first digit is 1, and in the second number, the first digit is also 1. So what happened? Okay, as we see that in both numbers, the first digit is 1. So come to the next digit. See the first 1010. In this number, the second digit is 0. Okay, in this number, the second digit is 0. See 1001. In this number, the second digit is also 0. Okay, come to the next digit. See 1010. In the third digit, sorry, in this number, the third digit is 1. In this number, the third digit is 1. Okay, see in the next number. In the next number, the third digit is 0. Okay, in 1001, the next digit is 0. See this. It here is the 0 and here is the 1, and both 10 and 10. Okay, so here is the difference, 1 and 0. As you know that 1 is greater than 0, so the greater number is 1010. So the greater number is 1010. Come to the next part. Come to the next part. 5342 and the second number is 3425. 3425. Okay, see this part. In this number, the first digit is, in this number, the first digit is 5. Okay, the first digit is 5. Come to the next number, 3425. 3425. In this number 3, the first digit is 3. The next digit is 3. Okay, so compare it. 5 is greater than 3. 5 is greater than 3. 5 is greater than 3. Okay, so the greater number is, the greater number is 5432. So the greater number is 5432. Okay, I hope that you note down the solution of exercise 2.1. Okay, come to the next slide. Okay, fifth part. 10100, 10100, 10100, and the second is 1, and the second is next 10010. Okay, 10100 and 1010. Okay, see first number. See, in the first number the digit is 1. Okay, in the second number the digit is also 1. Okay, we can't differentiate between them. Okay, come to the next digit. The next digit is 0, and here the also the next digit is 0. Okay, come to the third digit. The third digit is 1. Here the next digit is 0. So we know that 1 is greater than 0. 1 is greater than 0. So the greater number is, the greater number is 101. So the greater number is 10100. Okay, come to the next part, sixth part. Question is 13791, 13971. See, in this number, here the first digit is 1, and also here the first digit is 1. So we can't comparison between 1 and 1. Okay, come to the next number. Here the next number is digit is 3, and the next digit is 3. So we also can't comparison between 3 and 3 because both are same. So come to the second number. The third number. Here is the number 7. Okay, here is the number 7, and also here is the number 9. So as we know that 9 is greater than 7. So the greater number is 13971. So the greater number is 19371. Okay, come to the next slide. Okay, let's start question number 5. Write the whole numbers. We will write the whole number. Okay, okay, C part number 1. C part number 1. Okay, C part number 1. This sign, okay, wait 1 second. Okay, come on. In part 1, this sign show that less than. Okay, I already tell you in lecture number 2. Okay, this sign show that less than. Okay, what is question? Less than 15. Okay, less than 15, but he said less than 15, but this sign show that greater. Okay, this sign show the greater than 9. Okay, ये क्या कह रहे हैं? Less than 15, but greater than 9. Okay, अब उर्दू में आपको समझाता हूं ताकि आपको समझ आए कि 9 से बड़ा होना चाहिए और 15 से छोटा होना चाहिए. ओके, 9 से ग्रेटर और 15 से लेस. सो स्टार्ट विथ 9. The greater number, the next number start with 9 is 10. Okay, the next number start with 9 is 10. The next number 11, next number 12, next number 13, next number 14. Why we cannot continue their number? Why we cannot continue their number? Why we can't write 15, 16, 17? Because this question tells that you can end this question less than 15. Okay, you can end this lecture question, this part, end with 15. So you end the number with less than 15. So the number less than 15 is 14. So we end this question here. Okay, okay, come to the second part. Here they ask that smaller than 7. Okay, smaller than 7. Okay, smaller than 7. Okay, wait beta. Wait. See there. Sorry. Okay, come. Sorry, एक mistake थी. Smaller than 7. Okay. In question, see this. In question, they tell about whole numbers. Okay, I will already tell you about that. Whole numbers are those numbers which are start from 0. So we started from 0. 0 smaller than 6. See the question, smaller than 7. The number less than 7 is 6. So we end the number here is 6. Okay, start 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, why we end here is 6? Because it is that you can end the number and you can end the number which is smaller than 7, and the number which is smaller than 7 is 6. Okay, come to the next slide. Okay, wait. Okay, the third part is greater than 15. The next part is greater than 15. Okay, okay, tell me that which is the number, tell the number which is greater than 15. Okay, tell me the number which is greater than 15. The number which is greater than 15 is 16, 17, 18, 19 and so on. Okay, 15, 15, 16 and so on. Why we this is dot dot dot? This means that there is a infinity number. You can't count it. Why there is an infinity number? Because they don't know, they don't tell us that you can end at this number. यानी उसने हमें नहीं बताया कि आपने नंबर यहाँ एंड करना है. They only tell that you can start the number which is greater than 15. Okay, they only tell the number that which is greater than 15. So we can start the number with 50, sorry, with greater than 15. So the number which is greater than 15 is 16, 17, 18, 19 and so on, infinity. You can't count them. Okay, come to fourth part. Greater than 73 but less than 99. This sign show that greater than, and this sign show that less than. Okay, don't forget, this sign show that greater than and this sign show that less than. Okay, come to the part. They tell that the question is that greater than 73. Okay, greater than 70, the number which is greater than 73 is 74. Okay, so we start the number with 74. Okay, they are that the number which is greater than 73, so we start the number with 74 because the question tells us that the number which is greater than 73 start with 74. Okay, come. Here tell that the number which is less than 93, the number which is less than 99, sorry, 99 is 98. So we start the number with 74 and end the number with 98. Okay, any question regarding this lecture or previous lecture? Okay, any question regarding this lecture? Okay, come to 5 part. बहुत से बच्चों को इसमें प्रॉब्लम थी, देखे अगेन आई रिपीट दिस पार्ट. Okay, see this. Okay, first see the both number. The first number is 10100. Okay, the first number is 10100 and the second number is 10010. Okay, first number is 10100 and the second number is 10010. Okay, see the first digit of this number. The first digit of this number is 1. Okay, the first number of this number is 1 and the also the digit of this number is also 1, so we cannot comparison between 1 and 1 because they both are equal. So come to the next number. Here in this number the second digit is 0. Okay, the second digit is 0. Also here the second digit is in this number, the second digit is also 0. So 0 is equal to 0. We can't comparison which is greater or which is less. Come to the next third digit. Okay, here third digit is 1. Okay, third digit is 1. Come to the next digit, third 0. Okay, you know that 1 is greater than 0. Okay, you know that 1 is greater than 0. So which is greater number? This 10100 is greater. Okay, 10100 is greater. Why? Because in the third digit of this number 1 is greater than 0. That's why 10100 is greater number. Okay, I hope that you have not any problem. If you have any problem, ask a question. Only 5 minutes left. Okay. I will send this lecture on YouTube channel. Okay, go to the YouTube and search Shining Star Public School online lectures. I will send the lectures on YouTube. 7 part. Okay, which question? Question 2 or question 3? Okay, question number 3. Okay. बेटा क्वेश्चन 3 बेटा क्वेश्चन 3 का कोई 7 पार्ट नहीं है, क्वेश्चन 3 सिंगल है। क्वेश्चन आई थिंक क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 7th पार्ट, क्वेश्चन 4 का भी 6 पार्ट है। Where there is no 7 part. Only 6 part in the question number 4. Only 6 part in question number 4. I will only answer those questions which are recorded on this lecture or previous lecture. Okay. Any problem? This is the most important chapter. So you have any problem, ask me. And class. Any question, beta? Any question regarding this lecture? If, if you have any problem, then type. I don't mute your mic. Okay. Successor is the number which is more than its previous number. Okay, the number which is more than its previous number. Yeah, in easy way you can ask that the number which is next to the previous number. Okay, in predecessor the number which is less to the next number, the number which is less to the next number. Okay. Only 1 minute left. Which 5 part, beta? Which 5 part? Which 5 part is wrong? वेलकम।